troubles for convicted murderers Travis McMichael, Greg McMichael, and William Bryan aren't over. They also face federal hate crime and attempted kidnapping charges brought by the Justice Department. There's also a civil suit filed by Ahmaud's mother. Back with me is criminal defense attorney Sue Ann Robinson, former prosecutor Titus Nichols, and trial attorney Monique Pressley. All right, Titus, all three men were convicted of murder, which carries the maximum penalty of life without possibility of parole, meaning they may never see life outside of prison walls, especially for the older McMichael and William Bryan, since they are in their 50s and 60s. Now, should we go into sentencing expecting life in prison for these individuals? There are people that are still holding their breath. They're still skeptical of this verdict, and they're saying, well, let's just wait until sentencing.
So in Georgia, when life is on the table, there is life with the possibility of parole and then life without. So even if the judge was to give them life with the possibility of parole, that means they have to serve 30 years in prison before parole can even be considered. And considering the age of the defendants, 30 years is a actual life sentence for them, even if parole is a possibility after they have served their 30 years. So in this situation, they're going to be in prison for a long time, whichever direction the judge goes.
Got it. Monique, the men are expected to stand trial in federal court for hate crime charges in February. How will these convictions affect their federal case? Or will it?
Well, I mean, the fact that they have been convicted, obviously they can be impeached with these convictions. They're going to make their way into the trial, but there's going to be so much other evidence that did not make it into this trial that will be included in that one, like the disparaging comments, the racist comments that were made by one of the defendants, just the Confederate flag on the truck, just so many different things about their conduct that was kept out of the deliberations for this jury will be a part of that trial. But I agree with fellow counsel that I'm glad that they are bringing this federal case. It's right to do so, but it's a minimum of 30 on the felony murders that run concurrently, and then there's still sentencing for the aggravated assault, for the false imprisonment, and those are like 0 to 10, 0 to 20. So they're not going to see the outside. None of them.
Sue Ann, we know that there's a pending civil suit filed by Arbery's family member, his mother. I'm guessing these verdicts will obviously help on the civil level.
Yes, of course. They will go to culpability. To me, you know, Papa McMichaels is an old grandpa. You know, Travis was talking about all the surgeries that he had and how sick he was. He should have been at home on his rocking chair. You can't do the crime if you can't do the time. And that's it.
That's a great way to end this segment, this whole hour. Thank you guys so much. A big thank you to my three brilliant legal minds for joining me tonight. Sue Ann Robinson, Titus Nichols, and last but not least, Monique Pressley. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving holiday.